my channel. My name is Margrette. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button below and tapping on the notification bell so that you'll be aware of new uploads. Today I will be vlogging with May and Yi of My Food Mercado, and we're here today at Ayoayo Backpackers Inn and Cafe, and soon to be they'll be offering sauna as well. So I know that you noticed the food here in front of us. So we have here, what do you call this, May?
Omi Rice.
Omi Rice. It's going to be my first time tasting Omi Rice. So I'm a bit excited, but I'm really sure it's going to be a lot tasty because there's chicken cubes, and there's meat with whole tomato.
I'm drooling.
Yes, and there's gyoza, and what do you call this?
Udon salad. Wow.
Join us, Alia. Okay. She was very hesitant to join us a while ago, but finally she decided to show up. So guys, thank you so much, Alia Bontuyan, for inviting us over today.
Yes.
Really happy. Finally, after months of planning, I believe, months or weeks. So thank you. She's actually a friend from way back na Planet Warriors. We met in a Olango. It was Olango first. So we first met in an Olango cleanup, postal cleanup I organized before. She had a talk there, and then second time we met in another Eco Warrior event, Coffee with a Purpose. Yes, I still remember that. Basin ulyanin ako. But this is now another venture. So thank you for inviting us over, and first time makatilaw mi sa Omo. She'll be touring us around in the whole place. I actually had few shots of the whole area, but I think we haven't toured. Are we going to tour the upstairs? Yeah, so I'm curious what's upstairs, of course. Yeah, it's an old house, and you know that the architecture of old houses are very unique,
nostalgic, and romantic at the same
brings
time.
back memories. So don't forget, later on we will tour you around the whole area, and of course we'll share what we can say about the food that they offer here, because it's Japanese inspired. But the chefs are Filipino.
They're trained by a Japanese chef.
Trained by Japanese chefs. So please do invite our viewers to come and visit.
Okay. Thank you guys for coming.
Louder, please.
Thank you guys for coming, and we are the people behind Ayoayo Backpackers Hostel and Sauna Cafe. Soon we will have our sauna, probably mid or end of February. But for now, we're gonna offer you, and we will introduce to you our food. So this food feast, the delectable food that the owner enjoyed during his childhood, growing up in Japan. So I want to introduce to you the udon salad. It's made up of the chewy udon noodles.
But there's ice because of the vegetable.
It's called salad. It's usually prepared this way. It's a
I haven't
salad.
really tried that before.
And there's a special sauce. It's a broth and made into sauce called kakijiro. That's what makes it.
Is there furikake also, or is it sesame?
It's like black sesame seeds, and there's like a fish flour. So I hope you enjoy it.
Not the common Japanese food that you can buy anywhere.
Yes.
And even the Omi Rice, I haven't really heard of it before. But the gyoza I've tasted before. And
this is one of our best sellers. It's Filipinos love it. It's made of like a fried rice, and they're stuffed with egg and egg.
What can they expect when for those who have not come here? What can you say, or how can you describe the place in one statement?
It's definitely a place where we want you to stay longer and more, and we want you to go home happily, through our food, through our drinks, and hopefully through experiencing our sauna by fulfilling the needs for your wellness and your health.
Wellness, that's very important, especially during this times of pandemic. Guys, we are coming back here to try out their sauna, and not only to try out their sauna, to subscribe to their sauna, because they'll be offering the three times a week times 4 weeks is 2,500.
Monthly
Yeah, monthly subscription of 2,500. You can already enjoy their sauna. I actually saw you the place, but not yet, not really testing it yet, like the whole experience. But soon we'll be coming back.
Yay!
Anything you'd like to share
forward
further?
to that.
Mga orsami!
Yay!
And later on, we'll have a tour. Bye! Mga usata. Mga unag yun si Aliet.
Okay guys, so it's time to taste the food here in Ayoayo Cafe and Sauna Hostel.
Somewhat like that. Zach,
Somewhat like that.
what's the complete name of this place?
Ayoayo Cafe, Backpackers Hostel.
Sauna.
Ayoayo Backpackers Hostel,
And Sauna.
Sauna Cafe.
And
Ayun.
Sauna Cafe.
Okay.
Mouthful.
So guys, it's time to taste the food here at Ayoayo
Ayo Backpacker.
Backpackers. Alright, let me see. Wait, taas ka. Ayoayo Backpacker Hostel Sauna Cafe. Okay. So guys, it's time to taste the food here at Ayoayo Backpackers Hostel Sauna Cafe, and we're just so excited. Okay, so first up is what they call the Omi Rice. All right, so this Omi Rice is actually made of rice with chicken cubes, real chicken meat cubes, and then wrapped in omelette, or yeah, an egg omelette, and then there is a sauce topping on top. It has a side dish of fresh garden salad with tomatoes, and of course there is also the lettuce and carrots. So I'm gonna taste this. All right, I'm so excited. Are you? Let's see. Oh, look at that. The color of the rice is orange, so I think, wow, I'm really drooling. Naglaway na sa ko. Okay, so here we go.
I think naapoy ketchup on rice.
I really like ketchup.
It's very flavorful. And of course you have carbs, you have protein, there's also veggies and yeah, veggies.
I can taste the chicken good. I can really bite into it. So it means that the chicken cubes, like this
There's
one,
the-
it's, yeah, it's really a good size. And then this one, this is like tomato based sauce with what do you call that, with ground beef. Wow, this is delicious.
Very unique flavor. Not common in the Filipino market.
Yeah, this is good. It's a mixture of spicy, a little bit of sour flavor there, and because of the sauce perhaps, and then it is being balanced by the egg. The neutral taste of the egg, it balances the spice and the sourness that I get from here. And then the rice is perfectly cooked, not overcooked, not mushy, it's just perfect, and I can taste the chicken. So it's like, I can say it's like tomato sauce based, something like that. It's such a unique flavor that I cannot really put a name on it like what I'm eating here, but altogether it really tastes good. And of course you can match it with a side dish of this fresh garden salad.
I'm enjoying my food.
This is good. Next up, actually, I'm supposed to try this first, diba? Because it's salad.
Yeah. Oh. Does it really have to come first?
This is what they call the udon salad.
Udon.
Right? It's udon salad because it is made of cold udon noodles, and it is topped with different kinds of fresh vegetables. I can see lettuce here. I can see okra. You see that? That's okra. I can see egg, and there's also some mayo there for the dressing. And I see the squid flakes over here with carrots and black sesame seeds, right? So since I already used this, I'm gonna get a new what you call that, chopsticks to mix this. Okay, so look at that. Wow, this is amazing. And you know what? One thing interesting about this, it has ice. So this is a cold noodle salad. It's a noodle and a salad at the same time. So I'm just gonna mix and match this. Okay, and then I'm gonna take one bite just for the flavor. Okay, this is the one. All right, let me taste it.
It has tuna. What was the meat?
Yeah,
Was it chicken or tuna?
it's like, wait, it's tuna.
Tuna.
It's tuna and the squid flakes. So, yeah,
Seafood.
it's noodles and it's salad at the same time. The sauce is so good. It's so Japanese. The flavor of the sauce is so Japanese. And
The broth.
the flavor of the squid flakes, you know, the tuna, the broth, the freshness of the vegetables, all combined together. This makes a unique, delicious salad. Wow. Next up is, of course, their, what's this? Chicken teriyaki wings. This is their chicken teriyaki wings. So it's, if you can see, it's smothered in soy, and I believe it's Japanese soy, and then it has sesame seeds all over it. I am expecting a sweet, savory flavor from this, and I'm expecting some soy taste, and I don't know if it's spicy, so I'm gonna try it. Okay.
How many pieces are there in one
One.
plate?
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4.
Four wings.
4 wings. This is so good. I can taste the caramelized sugar. I can taste the soy. The meat is so soft and it's crunchy outside. You know, the meat is deep, I mean the chicken wings is deep fried. You can tell because once you bite into it, there's a crunch outside, and then it's smothered with the caramelized sugar, with the soy, and then you can taste the sesame, and then you know when you just bite into it, it's juicy inside. Wow, this is such a treat. This teriyaki chicken wings is a 10 over 10.
Wow.
Wow. Let me. No. And finally, guys, I'm gonna taste their gyoza cake. And of course, they have a dip here with does this have what do you call that?
Sibuyas dahon?
No, the green thingy.
Sibuyas dahon?
No, the wasabi.
Oh, no, wala.
So this is gyoza, their gyoza. If you can see, it's a good size. It's so, you know, sometimes some gyoza bitaw, the filling is not enough, and it's so, what do you call that? You know, it is hollow. But this one, you can tell that it's well filled. There's really a lot of meat inside. Okay, so that's really, really something that you can look forward to. You can see the crispiness here of this side, so I can just imagine that when I bite into it, I can, you know, I can feel the crisp, and then my teeth will sink into the softness of the meat, and you know, and then what you call this, the wrap will just glide through my tongue. You know, I'm really excited to taste this, and I hope it will not disappoint. So that's what I'm looking forward to buy two gyoza. So here we go. I'm just gonna dip it.
I love the chicken.
Yeah, the chicken is so good, right? Very good, very good. Okay, so dip the tip of it, and I'm gonna bite. So please, I'm so excited. Again, I'm looking forward to the crispiness, softness, and you know, the meatiness combined together.
Wow. What can you say?
Wow, it's so meaty. I can taste the herb. I can taste all the flavors in there. It's so good. The herbs are really good. It really reminds you of, you know, that you're eating a Japanese food. It's so meaty. Look at that. Look at that. No, the meat is so compact. It doesn't, some gyoza when you eat it, the meat is like, it scatters, and you can barely feel and chew it because, it's just so tiny and it scatters and, it just dissolves in your mouth. But this one, look at that. The meat is so compact, it's well seasoned, well flavored, the herbs, you can taste it and it's really, really good. Wow.
You can say that
No kidding.
Pros are really good.
No kidding, this is one of the best gyozas I've ever tasted. Promise. Because you know why? I don't like gyozas that it looks like a bag and then with the tiny meat inside, but this is really good. And it goes perfectly with the sauce. The sauce is so good. Okay? So, there you go mga kamerkads. You will not, let me just finish what I'm chewing because it's so good. I want to savor it. I want to enjoy it. You should not miss the food here at Ayoayo. Aside from the very relaxing place, aside from the zen feel that you get here, and then you fill yourself with delicious Japanese inspired food or Japanese food, this is a perfect place to be when you want to feel the goodness of life, mga kamerkad. So, come visit Ayoayo here at Guadalupe, Cebu, and I promise you, you will not regret it. Their food is good, the place is good, service is good.
The serving
Come
very
here.
wow.
Yes,
For sharing.
the portions are really good because it's even good for sharing. So if you don't eat too much, then you can always share it. Actually you can share it for two, no?
Even
Their serving is
even the
good.
Omi Rice is good. For
Yeah, even the Omi Rice, you can share this with your loved one, no? So, and the gyoza good, wonderful, really nice. Most of the gyozas I ever taste, di ba, kaya mga siya, bang bag ba na the meat inside, then when you open
Dry.
it, all the meat just, all goes coming out. But this
Their
one
meat
is
isn't
so
dry.
compact.
It's juicy.
It's not dry. It's
Everything
so
is flavorful. There's nothing bland.
It's almost, I hope
Heavenly?
yeah, it's almost heavenly, but sometimes it could make you feel guilty because you will eat a lot. Alami. Alright, so there
Wish you
go.
were here.
Yeah, wish you were here and enjoying the food with us. So there you go, mga kamerkats, and of course, together with me is Maan.
I'm vlogging in a vlog.
Yes.
I'm stealing
vlogging in a vlog.
May's, we're sharing May's content.
That's why you can hear her voice. But yeah, that's the voice. That's ang aking konsensya.
No, what I love about collabs with May is that when she talks about food, it's very detailed, and I cannot do that because I don't cook a lot. I don't really cook that much, and I don't have a lot of experience when it comes to food. We always listen to experts, and of course May is one of that. So
Wow, expert dyan.
of course,
Yeah. I just love food. I cook. I
sells food. She
yeah.
cooks food.
I eat food.
We love food, okay?
We love food. So that's why my food mercado, mga kamerkas,
Yeah.
if you have not subscribed to my channel, once again, please do so in my food mercado because we're going to take you to a lot of beautiful places here in Cebu, of course, with great food. So there you go, mga kamerkas. Always remember, kiri sa my food mercado, lami ang mukaon, sadya ang mamaligya. Bye!
There's just some all.
Yeah.
Unlike other restos, not all though, other restos that sell chicken wings, once magkaon na kag pila ka pieces, mapula na ka. But when you taste their ayo-ayo chicken teriyaki, makaingon ka na, magkuwang. Pwede pa more. So in one serving, there are 4 wings, 4 chicken teriyaki wings. And that's more than enough to be shared. So, mag-date gani mo diri, Valentine's. What you order per serving is good for sharing na sa inyong ka-date. So come and date at Ayoayo Backpackers Inn and Sauna Cafe. Nalahos.
Nakuha good, nalahos good. Nawa oh. Their gyoza ba? It's so filled with meat good. Hindi siya luag. Kaya bang gyoza ka batay ka ng
Gamay ra
luag na kaayo niya, gamay ng meat. Kanino? Maybe you just order gyoza here, okay na mo.
Thank you so much, Ayoayo, for having us today, letting us taste your best sellers. Of course, we're looking forward to trying out your sauna soon. That will be another vlog, of course, because it's
Nice.
going to be
You can
another
just
day.
imagine ba, after you eat, you go to the sauna, di ba?
Chill. Whole day of wellness. Maskin maglingkod ra mo diri silang sofa, guys. Maminaw mo sa water na nagdagay-day.
Bagay-day.
Wa na nag pwede na mo mag-yoga matog.
Kaya mga chairs ba, very comfortable kayo. Even if wala cushion, it's so comfortable.
Again, we'll be checking the factory of these furnitures later on. Kaya na-curious jud ko kanindot kay ilang mga designs. And of course, it's very comfortable to sit in.
No?
I wonder how it costs, how much it costs. So,
Ma-amaze ka ba
we'll
kay...
know later on.
Kasi amazing yun siya guys, grabe ni mo gahi kay kahoy, but the moment you sit on it, grabe, mura ka, as in, so comfortable yun. Wala ka makatulog. No? Amazed ko kay ganina paglingkod na ko.
Ganun ko sa manok, Zach.
Nami.
Ano na ako favorite after?
Favorite ni mo dire? So Zach, I kept on calling Zach because Zach is handling the social media. Do you want to appear here? Oh my God, my God. Sige. Taas ba? Di siya tawhana. There, so that's Zach. Introduce yourself and what you do for Ayoayo.
I'm Zach and I do what?
Diri ka, oh.
Sige lang,
Naglisod ka. Taas siya na tawag.
I do the social media and other marketing stuff for Ayoayo too.
Okay, so kanay naman nakitaan sa ilang page ng mga nindot na designs, all the art you see in the page of Ayoayo is taken care of this man right here, si Zach the man. Nindot kayo mga tattoo, guys. Hilig daw siya og bukid. Single pa ka? Wala, taken na. Sorry guys, taken. Nana siya ka-date sa Valentine's.
Hindi siya appeal sa promo.
Wa siya appeal. Wa siya appeal sa promo dire. Pagkaon ra tong sabutan ha. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Please do subscribe to show your support. And see you again in my next vlog, lovies. Bye!